All right, guys, Tetons was smoky. We didn't get to see the mountains, but now we're at Yellowstone National Park. So let's check this one out. The smoke's definitely clearing up, so I think we're gonna get some good shots. All right, let's hit the road.
Thought that was a tree stump. Oh, I might have missed it. There's a humongous canyon right here through the trees. You see that? Maybe right here we'll be able to get something. Whoa! Got a sketch. Okay, Yellowstone. Let's pull off here and check it out. That looked too cool not to show you.
Well, when I was coming by the road, it looked awesome. You could see right into this insane canyon that you can kind of see down here, but from this pull off, it just doesn't do it justice. So maybe my helmet cam caught a little bit of it, who knows. But let's continue on, because if this is just the entrance to the park and we just saw something this awesome, can't imagine what we're gonna see while we're here.
I think I just saw a good viewing point for this. Let's see if I can get off the road a little bit.
All right, we're coming down this hill a little bit, trying to be careful not to fall all the way down, but hopefully you guys can see just what I was trying to tell you. Check that out. Is that crazy or what? Just a humongous canyon, the river running through it. So I know at this park there's some awesome waterfalls, so we'll see some of those too along the way, but that was just super pretty to see coming down the road, so I had to stop and show you guys. Let's keep it moving.
Right. Dude, whoa. It's beautiful out here. I just want to give you guys a elevation and temperature check. We're just sitting at right around 8,000 feet elevation. Sign just said 7,770, and we're finally up to 60 degrees. It should be in the 70s today, low 70s. With that, I peeled off the leather gloves. We don't have a face mask on anymore. I took off my vest. I just have my sweater on, and I still got my heated liner on underneath in my overpants. But yeah, 70. Once we hit 70, man, all the heat stuff is coming off and we'll be chilling.
I was just passing by and I saw these crazy looking geysers. And then as I pull up, it says unstable ground boiling water. So we're gonna go check it out. Wow, these are truly incredible. You can really feel the heat coming off these things. Check that out. Wow. And it's so crystal blue. Jeez, that's incredible. Just look at all the steam coming off all these things. Hey, that was really cool. All those dang geysers, just bubbling, boiling water, and the smell of sulfur is strong in this part. Well, let's hit the road. I'm gonna go see more. Let's go explore. All right, we're kind of changing the route a little bit. I was gonna go up towards Cody, but I saw the sign for Old Faithful and it's the other way, so I'm gonna head towards Old Faithful, and I don't know, we'll see where the day takes us. Regardless, we're gonna go on Beartooth Highway, but I might just have to miss Chief Joseph Pass. Old Faithful, baby! So if you've never been here, they know roughly around when Old Faithful does their thing. So hopefully we're not too far off the mark and we're able to walk up and check it out, because I don't have too much time to lollygag. Old Faithful. How crazy was that? Still going. We got here in the perfect time. All right, let's keep pushing. Biscuit Basin. I wonder if this is the one that exploded.
An explosion at Yellowstone National Park. A geyser going off, sending tourists running for cover. Park officials say the hydrothermal eruption happened in the Biscuit Basin area. This is near Old Faithful, which is a hot area and an active area. According to U.S. Geological Survey, these blasts happen when fluid transitions to steam and expands, causing rock and debris to be blown about. Some damage reported. The area around the incident temporarily closed. No one was hurt. Officials say there did not appear to be any signs of an imminent volcanic eruption.
So it looks like there's something up ahead walking next to the road. I don't know if it's an elk or if it's a moose or if it's an elephant. I'll show you. Oh wait, it's a bison, dude. I need to get some space. Don't want to piss him off. He'll fuck me up. That's pretty sick. Fucking Yellowstone, man. You just see everything here. Still haven't seen a bear though, so I'm gonna retract that statement. But maybe Beartooth Pass will have something for us. So yeah, I just built some extra space just in case I pissed him off so I could skedaddle. This is like today's Jurassic Park, low key. All right, let's see what else we can see. we're here at Gibbon Falls. I just saw this off the side of the road and thought this was pretty cool. We'll get a better look down here, but woo! Check this out. Yeah, this park is just huge. It's, for me, only having one day off to show you everything, it just wouldn't happen. You need a few days if you're out here in Yellowstone. It's cool, like it's definitely cool, but I gotta get going. I took my time as much as I could, but hey, the cold waits for no one. And Beartooth will be cold. So this is America's first national park. They did good with this one, man, keeping it preserved. And it's so large, it really does just show you just so much. So many amazing geological features. Waterfalls. I like that white, or that, what is it, yellow sulfur kind of smell that you have that comes off the geysers. Old Faithful spouting up. It's pretty cool. I mean, the animals we see out here too, I'm sure probably if you took your time and went through West Yellowstone, you probably see a lot more than I have so far. But I tried to get a clip of it, and I don't know if I did, but there was a bald eagle when I stopped at the waterfall back there. There was a bald eagle that flew by. Yeah, that was sick. Yeah, now we're beating feet. I think we got a right turn to make somewhere. We're headed northwest right now. I need to be heading east towards Tower Junction. Should still be on Highway 89, but there's really no service out here too. Oh man, but the weather is getting better and better. It's 67 right here. The air just feels buttery. So nice. No gloves. No heated jacket on, no sweater, no pant liner. We chillin'.
They got wolves right here. Oh, there they go. I seen them running behind the hill. Pack of wolves. They ran down that valley. I don't think we're gonna get another shot of them. All right, let's go. Look, that's all buffalo down there. Just everywhere. Some up there, way up there, over there. Wow. Dude, more over there. Dude. This is incredible. Wow. Look at these mountains, just like almost taller than the trees, and I'm right next to the trees for perspective. Like, wow. Holy moly. Dude, this is so cool. If this is not going to be Beartooth, I don't know what could be. And that is super fucking high. So I'm definitely going to have to put some gloves on. Probably my heated layer before I go up. I pulled over to get a shot of the sun, and I look over and this deer was like, this has been the road I've been on, you guys. Holy. I'm gonna come over here and check it out.